Hello guys, and today I'm going to show you how to connect your proxy and how to purchase your proxy and start doing these online jobs. So first of all, I do prefer using for outside profiles, like okay, no, not outside profile. Like say for you've purchased a proxy from another platform or another website. Let's say like the proxy chip. I recommend using the IX browser because it won't have any issues when connecting the proxy. But on the other side, when you use the login, sometimes the login might behave or might log you out or even might close the application at some point. And when you try to reconnect, or it will sometimes either show your current location and not connect to the proxy. You see, those are the challenges with the login because I prefer myself using the IX browser because I don't have that issue of don't connect or like it's the best. I always use the X browser. So let's begin. Let's say you've purchased your proxy on a proxy chip, right? The link is on the description below. Once you order your proxy, make sure you order the static residential. And if you want to get the best of it, kindly, or it's best you purchase the premium one. The premium one is the best. It hasn't been used. So once you've purchased the proxy, this is how it will once you view your proxy, this is how it will look like. And you can see that here's your username, password, IP, and the port. All right, so I'll show you how you can actually use this information, feed it on a or use it on the browsers. So I'll begin. First of all, if you haven't known how to purchase the proxy, just click on order the proxy and then the order setup. You can see the static residential. This one is not the premium one, but remember I said that the best one you can use is the premium one. The premium one is the best. It's that I think so. I think it's on $10, $9.99. Use the premium one, and then you can actually choose on the location. It is proxy location. Don't put it at random. Make sure you choose on the location you want to purchase from, and then now after that you're good to go. You just next and then make the purchase. Okay, now let's start of how you can connect to the proxy, right? Once you have purchased the proxy, you'll come and click on my proxies. Then you can find out here's your available proxies, and then you can just click on this proxy and then you can look on the information. Okay, now let's go to IX browser, and then we need to add our proxy. Now we need to connect our proxy. So what you'll do is go and once you have already downloaded the IX browser and registered, log in, and then you'll see a dashboard like this one. Go and click on create profile. Once you click on create profile, you can see this part. The only part you need to fill is this one with the registered. Don't bother to fill these ones, it's not a must. So you come and click on the platform, choose the platform. It's specifically for PayPal, Gmail, or TikTok, whichever. But for me, I do put on only blank page. Profile name, I can name it any name or any number, like 22, like that. Doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be a specific name. After that, I'm good to go. I don't need to fill anything else. Now after that, you just click on this. We were in the platform account configuration. Now we'll go to the proxy configuration. and then after that we come and click on proxy type. Remember, once we are in on our proxy, there's a part where you're going to change. Let me see. You can see our protocol. It's SOCKS 5. So the type, the proxy type, we go back to IX browser proxy type. We're gonna choose on SOCKS 5. After that, we need to fill it this part. So the proxy host, which is the IP, we go back to our proxy chip, our proxy information. So here is our IP address. This is the proxy host. Now we come and copy this one and then go back to IX browser and then we paste it here. Our proxy host, our proxy port. Now proxy port is this one. We come and copy that one. We go back to the proxy IX browser. We paste it here. Now our proxy account, here is the username. We go, here is the username, copy the username, go back and then paste the username here, and then our password, here it is. We come and copy on the password, go back and then paste it here. After filling out everything here, you need to confirm first before creating the profile. Confirm if it's working. You come and click on this button, proxy detection, and you can see it's New York, US. So it's connected and it's ready. You can create the profile. Just click on create. Once it's created, here is your profile, and you can click on open to confirm whether the proxy is okay and it's working. It's secure. As you can see, here is the proxy is already secured. Here it is, America, time zone, New York. So it's okay. Everything is connected securely, and you can actually search my IP and confirm. And you can click on the first link, and you can see your proxy is connected and it's okay to use. So this browser is secured and it's using the proxy. All right, you can see it's at New York. Now let me show you now to connect it with more login. But I do prefer using the IX browser. But for those who like using the more login, let me just show you how you can connect it to more login. Once you have already registered on more login, created an account, you'll find the dashboard looks like this. And if you want to purchase the proxy from more login, but I do recommend purchase it from the proxy chip. Link is down below, because their proxy are more strong than this one. But let's focus on actually how we can connect it using our proxy from proxy chip. Okay, we will come and click on new profile. After clicking on new profile, you will come and click on advanced create. There's quick create and then there's advanced create. You can actually name your profile to be any name, and then after that you're gonna scroll until this part where you see proxy options. If it's a new proxy, you come and click on this proxy type, and then you choose SOCKS 5, and then after that you just leave this one like that. Proxy server is the IP and the port. Okay, so we go back to proxy, we copy the IP, we go back to more login, we paste the IP here, and then we go for the port, we copy, we come and paste it here, and then the account is the username and the password. We're gonna go and check on the, we copy the username, paste it there, we go back for the password, we paste it there, and then after that we are done. We're gonna come and click on this one, click on no access, and then we gonna proxy detect. Okay, proxy detection, we test if it's working well and it's good to go, and they say pass, and then it's a New York. We confirm, click on confirm. Once it's connected, you can see our proxy is already connected. We can click on start and we confirm if our proxy is already good to go and it's connected. So it's gonna detect again and see if it's okay, but you can see the proxy is already connected and it's okay to use. So sometimes the login will have some glitch when connecting the proxy, but sometimes it's good and it doesn't have any issues. But you can use those two browsers, it's okay. But the best one I recommend is the IX browser. You can use it. You can go and confirm my IP and see. So you can see my IP is already good and it's good to go. So guys, that's how you connect the proxy, and that's how you can use your proxy on those two browsers. So if you need to purchase the proxy, the link is down below, and try your luck, make applications, get a job, and start working online.